Gold and silver earlier in the day dipped towards the lows at 25.55 and 30.20 levels and have recovered sharp as well, now trading at 25.69 and 30.65. Now, what to expect from the metals with the US session? Retail sales data from the US should add to the little volatility, and which direction it should take, whether to buy or to sell, and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and logical levels so that you can trade with profits, trade with confidence, and trade with logic. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, look at the hourly charts for gold. What is happening here? After a rise, it has retraced, formed a nice flag, and now given a breakout. Now, this is a bullish breakout which it would like to sustain and which I expect it to sustain here. Only bearishness is if it trades below 25.64, 25.60 zone. If it trades below this zone, you can expect more bearishness to prevail, and then we can look forward to 25.54, 55, 25.50, 48, and if it breaks 25.50, 48, any point of time, we can expect more bearishness to prevail here. Right now I can see after retracement, consolidation, and trying to break here, and thus any move beyond 25.76, 78 is a very good sign for the bulls here. If you look at the stock, I think it is at the top. MACD and RSI both have retraced and has come towards a comfortable levels. On the 2-hour charts, notice that 20 period moving average giving it a very good resistance, and with 20 period as resistance, see none of the candles so far has closed above 20 period moving average. That is a very important point. Now see, higher lows are also seen here for the preceding few candles, and higher highs are seen, which means at least till 25.64 we should not be treating this as bearish. And in fact, if it trades below 25.64, we have to be cautious of 25.60, 25.54, 55, and only below which you can expect slight bearishness to prevail. The stochastic rising, the MACD rising, the RSI is comfortable here, not indicative much. And on the 3-hour, now see on the 3-hour charts, one bearish candle, couple of retracement candles, preceding two candles comes with higher lows and higher highs here. And the preceding candle specifically, and the preceding candle comes with a greener body with a wick on the upside. This indicates that potentially it may hit higher lows and then bounce back from here, moving towards 25, 78, 80, and if it breaks this zone, you can look forward to further rise. How far? 84, 85 first, then 94, 95 second is possible. If you look at the stochastic, this is starting to rise. The MACD is already rising after forming triple bottom here. Now it is looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. The RSI is flat and at outside Bollinger Bands. Outside, you can say the oversold zone, it has come down to comfortable levels. And on the 4-hour, if you notice on the 4-hour charts, after the drop, the retracement, and I have drawn this for you yesterday, that see bearishness diminishing, it has bounced back. What has happened since then? It has formed a nice flag and it has given a breakout. Now after the breakout, this was the first candle, so I expect that the second candle has to be there, which means there has to be a move towards 25.84, 82, 84, and if it breaks this zone, we are looking forward to a very good 25.91, 25.95, and 2600 is also possible here. Yes, it can try to move this zone before reversing. The stochastic has hit the top here, right now trading bearish. The MACD has hit the lows and looking upwards. This suggests that there is lot much of room on the upside for the gold to rise. The RSI has also come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the day. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, coming to the daily charts, what has happened since last few trading sessions? Look at this diminishing bearishness. Now, this could become the reversal sign. Yes, this could become the reversal sign. When you can call it reversal, when you see for the day gold trading about 25.90, you can say now it is trying to breach. And once it trades about 2600 today, I will say now this is the first greener candle, and in coming week we can see couple or more bullish candles here which can take the prices higher again. Possibility is there. Do not treat that it is turned bearish and it is going to crash. But yes, right now I will say till 2590, or in fact till 2600, chances will be high that prices can reverse, prices can drop again. So till 2600 at least, even if it is today or in the coming week, till 2600 you have to remain cautious. The chances of a reversal will be high. Now what is happening here, notice lower highs are done, it can still drop, it can still deliver a bigger bearish candle. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. So once it trades below 2564, 2560 zone, and then if specifically below 25 45 44 level, you can say more bearishness is going to be there. When you see the stochastic, this is oversold here. The MACD is trading with extreme bearishness. See the preceding candles have started to flatten here. This suggests that it may start to converge, which indicates that possibly today it can deliver a greener candle. RSI at bottom. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying below 25 64 62, or rather I will say 25 64 60 zone. Only and only if it trades below these two levels, you can say now gold is turning bearish. Else, as long as 25 64 60 zone is not taken, for now, do not treat this as bearish. Below this, you can expect it to move towards 25 54 55 first target, and below that, you can expect 25 48 25 44. And if it breaks 2544, stay short for 2538. Below this, an extreme crash, a stronger drop can be expected, though chances for which appears to be less. However, these are markets. On the upside, a buying entry now I will recommend is at 2572.74, and if it trades about 2572.74, expect 78.80 as the first target, and then 84.85 as the second. If it breaks beyond 84.85, stay bullish for 91.96.2602, and then if it stays over 2602, stay bullish. We are looking forward to tremendous bullishness from there. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now see, when you look at silver, you will see that rise, retracement, and a breakout, two bullish candle. It means there has to be third candle. See, this is a very short-lived move here, and we now know that only bearishness in silver is below 30 20 zone, and that is the only point at which we can expect it to turn bearish. Else what is happening after retracement, it is breaking out, and now once it stays above 3080, you can look forward to another round of rise, and specifically above 31 and 3125, we are looking forward to a rally to moon. The stochastic is rising here, the MACD is rising, the RSI has also seen a good move on the upside. When you see the 2 hour on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. Rise, retracement, flattened here, first bullish candle, and the second one has to arrive here. Let it break here on the upside. Once it stays above 3080, certainly we are looking forward to 31 3125, and breaking beyond which 3150 is the next targets. Right now also notice that a very good support is created with the 20 period moving average as a good support, and thus now 30 30 30 20 zone is the prime support zone, only below which you can expect that silver has turned bearish. As long as this is respected, you should not be treating this as bearish. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are showing a bit of rise here. And yes, we have still a lot much of room on the upside for the metals to rise. When you see the 3 hour chart, similar observation, see reversal sign, couple of bullish candles, sideways movement. Now this time it is waiting for the third leg of rise here. And this can be a bigger one. Yes, first, then sideways. It is creating these steps, which means it is going to trade here in this bullish channel. Where are the highs here? 31 20 25 should be there very very soon, and then beyond that further highs are also possible. But remember, only and only if it breaks beyond 31 and 31 20 25, you should say now silver is turning bullish, and beyond 3150 3160 is where it is to be treated for a complete reversal, because beyond this the next targets are 32. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI has come down to a good comfortable levels here. And on the 4 hour, now see on the 4 hour charts, good consolidation. See these 4 to 5 candles forming a strong base here. This suggests that it has strengthened its support, and now with that as support, we can see another bullish candle potential is there. So now once you see it is staying above 3080, you can look forward to a move towards 31 3125, and once it breaks this zone, you can look forward to a greater rise. Now notice one more point on the 4 hour charts: rise, retracement towards 20 period, retracement, retracement, and now this is trading above 20 period. So only and only if it breaks out here on the upside above 3080, you should treat this as bullish. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is rising after forming a good base, good bottom. It is now looking upwards, which is a very good sign for the bulls here. The RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened? Higher highs are done. It can still reverse. It can still deliver a red candle from here. But I expect that see, because this is coming after a series of bearish candles and it is willing to retrace. So one thing is, if you connect the highs here, you will find that 3080, 31 is going to be a very good resistance, and we should treat silver as bullish. If it breaks beyond 3080, 31 zone, then only we should confirm that now bulls are back in action here in silver and the prices are going to rise. Else, as long as 3080, 31 zone is not taken today, we have to be very, very careful. While on the downside, 30, 30, 30, 20 is the zone which it needs to break. That will confirm a reversal for the day. Let's have a further look. Stochastic rising. MACD is still bearish. Though look at the candles, it is starting to convert. This suggests that now the bears are exhausted and there should be a reversal soon. The RSI also is starting to look upward. So looking at, I'll recommend you to buy here. If you see silver trading above 3080, you can expect 31, and beyond 31 we can look forward to 31.2025 and then 31.50 levels as the next target. If it stays above 31.50, 31.60 any point of time, stay bullish. 32 is the next target. Yes, if it can drop sharp, it can recover sharp as well. Right now I can say the momentum is very much bearish. However, you need to be trading with caution. On the downside, the selling entry is at 30, 30, 30, 20 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards $30 levels again. And if it trades below 30, you can expect a greater down move towards 29.70, 29.50 levels as the next target. Below 29.50, you can expect a greater correction. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the weekly review tomorrow. That is going to give you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from the metals in the coming week. Do watch that. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.